What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Man, make sure you hit that sub button. Before we roll our intro here, we're going to talk about, everybody's still talking about it, and we're going to show you an easy fix. We got our brake line there. Everybody's still having a problem with it. I'm going to show you just how to take care of it, guys. And we're going to talk about our updated biker bits and things to come. So roll intro. Okay, guys, hopefully I'm in frame here. Man, we've got our brake cable right here. It's all in my freaking way. And man, I got my dikes. Check this out. Man, this is how easy this is. Great mod, great mod. Boom, we're gonna cut it right there. We'll cut it right there. We're gonna take that center portion. We're just gonna chunk it. Bam, look at that. Man, brake line obstruction gone. Tuck the excess down. Done. Ha! Done. Love it. Man, that was easy. Okay, guys. Obviously, that was a joke. So, don't go, you newbies out there, don't go damn cutting your damn brake line off because you're going to lose your front brake. I just had to do it. I keep seeing all these fixes to these brake lines, and it's, you know, it's, man, just fucking deal with it, man. Come on, it's not that big of a deal, and you really, honestly, you shouldn't be staring at your display while you're riding your bike. And you know, as you ride your bike, you learn your bike. You'll get a feel for your bike. You know what gear you're in. You're gonna get a feel for how fast you're going. So if you're that worried about, I mean, come on. If you're that worried about your obstruction and you're that OCD, I mean, just, come on, guys. Use your freaking imagination, man. And I've done this, well, actually, no. Actually, I ain't had a problem with mine. Maybe it's my height, but man, the best option to fix that flipping brake line, man, Woodsman's Adventures did it. Go check out his channel. Man, ever so slightly, and I'm pretty sure we've talked about this before, ever so slightly, loosen up your banjo bolt over here on your master cylinder and just muscle that joker forward, and it's gonna push that brake line forward. You don't have to go buy this, you don't have to zip line, I mean, you don't have to zip line, you don't have to zip tie it to your freaking handlebars and yada, yada, yada. Come on. It's a frippin' brake line and it's your frippin' display. I mean, bunch of pansies. Anyway, I digress. Had to do that. Shits and giggles, guys. Hope everybody had a good Christmas, man. We're coming to the New Year's. We got one day left of 2021. Man, 2022, man, it's going to be for bang. I've been talking with Bikerz bits here. I know there's been a lot of skepticism on a lot of these Facebook pages, and they are legit. Can't place any orders right now. They are actually closed until January 4th, so we're not going to be able to place any orders. I got you guys approved. We're getting you guys, you backwoods fans, so you better hit that sub button if you're going to use my discount. Like I said, more details to come. I'm still working out the details, but I got you guys a 10% discount. Already their parts are pretty dang cheap. I'm actually going to be putting in come January 4th, I'm going to be putting in a big order for old 300L over here. We're going, man, I'd like to go with their titanium exhaust, but I want to get more stuff. I'm going to go with their stainless steel, V2 Moto X full exhaust. Man, it's like $220 USD. You can't beat it. I think it's made in Thailand. The bike's made in Thailand, so it just makes sense. All right, so we're going to roll with that. They got some nice side covers for the motor, which I haven't seen anywhere. It's the first I've seen them. We're gonna roll with those. My buddy Jay Church, he's actually got them on his a similar set on his 450L, and it's basically just a casing, 2 mil, I think it's probably like 2 mil thick or so, plastic molded to the motor that goes over each side of the engine case. Gives you a lot of protection, guys. We're gonna get that. We're gonna get the exhaust. There's a few other things we're gonna get. I don't know, I'm building a shopping list, man, and we're just gonna get a big box of parts in. I know I've been lacking here on the 300L videos. I've been trying to get all my real estate sold off, man. I got my park sold last week. I got the 8 I had down there in Nashville closed on 2 more this 2 days ago. I'm down to 1 left to sell there, and been paying off bills, buddy. Been paying them off, man. So like we said before, that's gonna open up some funds here. So we'll get all 300L decked out, man. Don't you guys worry. And also, hey, if you guys, man, if you guys haven't hit my poll yet, what you want to see this year, man, go hit it. You don't have to be a sub. Go check out my community section, man. And what do you want to see? Backwoods, bring it to you. We got my old 500X here. We're gonna get some good videos on it, and we're gonna do some, man, we're gonna get ready for some moto camping. Got to get me some GV boxes here. I guess the only really downside here, I guess, we bought this one here. I got another video on it. Go check it out. So we bought it already, partially decked out. Had these GV mono key box panniers on it, so that kind of limits us to, okay, now we need to go buy GV boxes. But they got some pretty sweet Alaskan cases. We're gonna grab those. We're gonna get that rolling. And let's not forget, man, we're not forgetting about the Grom. Man, she's sitting over there in the corner all by herself. Man, we're gonna sport out that Grom here pretty soon. But like I said, guys, Biker Bits, I got 10% discount coming. We're not gonna be able to place any orders until beginning of January 4th. They'll be back open, so they're shut down for the holidays and whatnot. And that's a big deal over there where they're at. So ahead of time, they're a pretty small company. They're actually this is probably the first discount they've actually given out to anybody from the conversations that I've been having. So they're not going to have. There's going to be a process. So make sure you come back once I get all the details here, and you're actually going to have to contact them directly. And ahead of time, if you haven't done it yet, you haven't ordered any parts yet, go ahead to their website, set you up an account, and you'll be one step ahead of the game. And then as soon as I get the more details here, it's a little tough talking with these guys because, man, they're overseas and their emails come through, their responses come through at 3, 4, 5 o'clock a.m. in the morning, Eastern time, where I'm at. So it's not like we're talking back and forth. It's like I send an email in the morning at 7, 8 o'clock, and then I get a response, 12, 14, 15 hours later. And, a conversation has taken a week. So get more details for you guys. So the 10% is coming on some already awesome cheap parts. I see they got the H2C parts. They've got some, that's another thing we're gonna get too. I ain't decided which one I wanna get. We're gonna get a rear rack here. And actually, what I'm gonna do, and we'll have a nice video on this, and this is a nice Apache, courtesy of Harbor Freight. Yeah, buddy, I can't give you a discount code for them because, man, they always got like 10%, 20% coupons. But we're gonna get our rack, and then we'll get this back girl mounted up right there. And man, sorry for the camera, but yeah, she's gonna be sweet. So we're gonna roll that. I'm working with Dynaplug. Man, they haven't sponsored anybody in like 15 years. So if you haven't checked out Dynaplug, go check them out. And actually what we're gonna be doing here, since we got a few different bikes, I know our toolkit, I'm ranting a little bit here, guys, but it's gonna be a big year. I got a lot of stuff I'm working on behind the scenes for you guys, and it's gonna be worth it. So I'm reaching out, Dynaplug, we're talking to them, made here and crafted in the USA. As you know, our toolkit on this 300L is like 2 flipping Allen wrenches, which, what are you gonna do with that? I didn't pull the seat. I don't know if I got a toolkit on this, but I'm actually going to go in each one of my bikes here, and I'm going to tailor a toolkit for each one of these bikes. So make sure you guys come back. Right now we've got the Grom, the 300L, and the 500X. I'm still working on the old WR 250R. We're getting slow on it, but I've just got to get to order some used parts and get her built back up, and that'll be probably later this year, probably during the summer. But anyways, we're gonna get some nice tool kits here, sported out for bikes, adventure-wise, and give you a few options. And I'm just gonna do the research and tell you exactly what you need. And man, if you guys like enough, you want it, man, I'll go out and build the damn toolkit for you and then sell it to you, you know, pretty dang cheap. So we'll see, guys. You know, I run an eBay store. Heck, I might throw some of them on there. Who knows? But man, eBay likes to take a big cut. So I'd rather you just reach out to me and then I'll just shoot it to you, and you give me a few bucks, pay shipping. I don't really give a shit. So, but that's all I got, guys. Like I said in the beginning, man, that was a joke. Don't cut off your flipping brake line. But well, there's a will, there's a way. Just be smart, guys, and don't be a pansy. It's 2021 and it's almost 2022. I grew up watching South Park, so I mean, I'm not offended by much. So haters, leave your comments. I haven't had some haters here in these last few videos, so I must be doing pretty good, giving you guys some good information. But come on, I need some hater comments below. Let's keep it rolling. Hit that like button, subscribe, comment, share with your buddies. We'll see you guys 2022.